Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Xiaomi Mi A2 Lite, and let me share with you how to check IMEI and serial number on this device. So we will begin with a secret code because this is the fastest way to check those numbers, and later on I will show you the second way to check them. So first of all, let's enter the dialer and let's enter the code, which is *#06#. And as you can see by this code, we are provided with both IMEI numbers and also a serial number attached to this device. Let me tap on OK, and as I said, let me show you another way to check it. It is using the settings, so let's enter them. And now we have to go to the About phone, which is at the very top of the list. And here, let's scroll down a little bit. And as you can see here, we've got both IMEI numbers for both SIM slots. And if you would like to check the serial number, we have to enter the model and hardware. And as you can see, the serial number appears. So actually, this is it. This is how to check IMEI and serial number in your Xiaomi Mi A2 Lite. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.